How to downgrade iOS 18 to iOS 17 without a laptop. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to downgrade from iOS 18 to 17 without using a laptop. This can be useful if you're experiencing issues with the new update. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's essential to back up your data, so go to Settings, tap on your name at the top, then select iCloud. From there, choose iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now. This ensures your data is safe during the downgrade process. Next, you need to check if iOS 17 is still being signed by Apple. You can do this by visiting a website like ipsw.me on your device's browser, and this will tell you if downgrading is possible. Now, if iOS 17 is still being signed, you can use your iPhone settings to download the iOS 17 firmware. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If iOS 17 is available, tap Download and Install. If iOS 17 is not available in the software update section, you'll need to enter recovery mode. So to do this, turn off your iPhone, then press and hold the volume button up. Now, followed by the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. While in recovery mode, your device will prompt you to either update or restore, so choose restore and this will erase your device and install iOS 17. Confirm the process when prompted. Once the installation is complete, your iPhone will restart, so you can set it up as new or restore from the iCloud backup we have created earlier. And that's how to downgrade from iOS 18 to 17 without a laptop. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.